We began doing this Dadhi Shabda in Brahmalinga, and we did this sutra, Brahma Shanta Nuk Sarveshwara Natwami. We insert Nuk after a Brahma Shabda ending with Isha if we have any pratyay following which begins with the Sarveshwara, except for 6.3 Am. Yeah.
Yes, yes, Prabhu.
So we got Dadhi, Dadhini, Dadhini, Dadhi, Dadhini, Dadhini. Then in 3.1, the sutra says, Dadhi Asthi Sakti Akshi Shabdanam Iramasya An Tadi Sarveshware. The E of the words Dadhi, Asthi, Sakti, Akshi, and Akshi is replaced by An when any Vishnu Bhakti beginning with the Sarveshwara from Ta onwards follow. So E of these words become An basically. Dadi means yogurt, Asti is bone, Sakti is thigh, Akshi is eye in English. So E becomes An. When Ta onwards we have any Vishnu Bhakti following which begins with Sarveshwara. Okay, so the next rule says Akrishna Sthana Sarveshwaro Bhagavad Sangyaha Tadhite Yashcha. It's Sangya Sutra. So earlier we did what is Krishna Sthana, right? Abrahma Pandava Shishta Krishna Sthana Sangya. Abrahma Pandava Shishta Krishna Sthana Sangya. We did that. Now it says Akrishna Sthana Sarveshwaro Bhagavad Sangya Tadhite Yashcha. Any Swadi, Suaujas Pratyas, that is not a Krishna Sthana and that begins with the Sarveshwara is called a Bhagavad. Bhagavad. So basically any Pratyaya, any suffix which is not Krishna Sthan and which begins with Sarveshwara is called Bhagavad. Is called Bhagavad. Similarly, any Tadhit Pratyaya which begins with Sarveshwara or Ya, Rama is also called Bhagavad. That we'll see later. Okay, now 170. Vama satsanga hinasya anurama haro bhagavati na tu ye inyos tu va. The of the un portion of a word ending in un is deleted when a Bhagavad follows. Okay, now see, we have Dadhi plus Ta, right? Because we did till 2.3. 3.1 is Dadhi plus Ta. And by 168, Dadhi Asti Sakti Akshi Shabdanam Iramasya Antadi Sarveshwari. Because Ta is following, which begins with the Sarveshwara. So the E of Dadhi becomes An by 168. Okay. Then this sutra says, the current one, 170, the of un portion of a word ending in un is deleted when Bhagavad follows, provided the un is not preceded by a satsanga containing va or ma. So this sutra says, if we have a word ending with un, like dadhan is ending with un now, and if there is a Bhagavad pratyaya following, ta is Bhagavad, ta is Bhagavad, ta is Bhagavad. So because ta is not Krishna sthana and ta begins with Sarveshwara. Ta is not Krishna sthana and it begins with Sarveshwara. So Akrishna sthana Sarveshwara Bhagavad Sangha. So thus, by this rule, when a Bhagavad is following, then we delete the of an. We delete the of an. Vama satsanga hinasya ana arama haraha. And we get dadna. Dadna. Okay.
Sorry, Prabhu. How did R came from? Sorry, okay, okay, okay. Ta. Okay.
Ta, ta.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now the sutra says that this an should not be preceded by any satsanga which contains va or ma rama. Examples for that we will see ahead. I can give an example right now. For example, Brahman. Brahman. In Brahman, it ends with an. But the problem is, it is preceded by a satsanga which has ma rama in it. So this deletion of this sutra is not applied in this case. So in 3.1, Brahman plus ta, a remains. So it will be Brahmana. We don't delete here, right? Because it has satsanga containing ma. So again, we'll read the translation.
Brahmana means by Brahman, like
Right,
that.
by Brahman.
Hmm.
Provided the un portion is not preceded by a satsanga containing va or ma. Okay. This was an example of ma. Similarly, we can have example for va also. Okay. So in this way, you can complete the Dadhi table. Then Brahmano Govindo va Buddhi. A Brahma optionally takes Govinda when Buddha follows. The Brahmalinga Shabda optionally takes Govinda when Buddha follows. So Dadi plus Su 8.1 Harer Govindo Jasi Vrishneshu Buddhecha. Dadi is a Hari Shabda. Harer Govindo Jasi. So we do Govinda and then Su is deleted. Eo Vamanebhyo Buddhasya Darshanam. So we get He Dadhe. And once Govinda is not done, so we simply get Dadhi. So by 171, optionally Brahmalinga takes Govinda. Oh,
So one
actually,
question for Brahmalinga who doesn't have any uh, pulling or striling. I mean, then how does Sambodhana works? It's like personified version. I mean that way. When you said Hey Dade,
see, in scriptures, let's say uh, we know that in Vrindavan everything is uh,
person.
alive, alive, not dead matter.
Yeah, yeah,
So if you have heard of the Damodar Leela, with the commentaries of Acharyas, then the milk things,
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah,
boiling,
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
in
Exactly.
that way. So
Hmm.
from one point of view, they are dead matter, but from one point of view, another point of view, they are alive. They think.
Yes,
So that it works then.
yes. But but true, this is we are talking from our philosophy. But let's say
Okay.
from Panini or from usual grammar Sanskrit, still they use that kind of
Yeah, yeah. Everyone
approach.
uses because see, uh, if we read, see whether it is Panini, whether it is Harinamamrit Vyakaranam or any grammar, all the grammars they ultimately serve the purpose of understanding the scriptures. By
Hmm.
by studying any
Okay.
grammar, everyone aim to study scriptures. Now in the scriptures and yeah, Sanskrit texts, there are stories, there are people, there are animals speaking, plants thinking.
Got it. Got it.
Inanimate objects become animate.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that's why even the neuter words they interact. We have
Got it.
Sambodhana.
Got it.
For example, Vyasadeva, when he was chasing Shukadeva Goswami,
Yeah, yeah.
he was asking the trees.
Trees. Yes, bro.
Gopis were asking the trees. So now if a gopi, if Vyasadeva, they want to address the tree, so they will say, hey, Vriksha, something like that
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
in that way.
Yes, yes, yes.
Like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would address the water, oh water. Like
Hmm.
Ramji addressing ocean when he was wanting to cross. Oh, ocean.
Yes, bro.
Yeah,
Hmm.
so the senses, although the senses are dead, but now the senses, each sense has the Adhishtatri Dev, their master, like one demigod for each of the sense.
Yeah,
Then,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, in that way,
Yes, bro.
in so many ways, we can understand this concept. Okay, so Dadhi, Dadhini, Dadhi. So this is the Dadhi table. And in the similar way, you can make tables for Asthi, Sakthi, and Akshi. Then the next word is Vari. Vari means water. Vari means water. So Vari is also simple. Vari plus Su, Brahmanta, what was that? Brahmata Samor Maharaha. Su is deleted, we get Vari. Then Vari plus Au, Radha Brahma Bhyam Au E, Brahmeshanta Nuk Sarveshwar Natwami. Then we get Varini, Rasharidebhyo. In 1.3, Vari plus just becomes she. Sarveshwara, sorry, Brahmato just so she. Then Sarveshwara Vaishnava Antayor Numshau. No, not that. Brahmeshanta Nuk Sarveshwara Natwami. Nuk is inserted. Nanta Dhatu Varjita is applied. And Rasharidebhyo, we get Varini. Very simple, the previous rules only. So you can do the Vari table in the similar way. Then the next is Madhu. Madhu is also done in the same way. Madhu, Madhuni, Madhuni, Madhu, Madhuni, Madhuni, Madhuna, Madhubhya, Madhubhi, Madhune, ityadi. You can do Madhu in the same way. Then the next is the word Vishwani, ending with the long Trivikrama E. So Brahmanta Trivikramasya Vamanah. Brahmanta Trivikramasya Vamanah. A Trivikrama at the end of a Brahmalinga Shabda becomes Vamana. So it's a standard rule. If there is a Brahmalinga Shabda ending with Trivikrama, that Trivikrama becomes Vamana. So Vishwani plus Su. So we make it Vamana and then we do the declensions. This is a rule. First we make Vamana and then we do the process. So Vishwani plus Su, Vamana, and then Su is deleted, Radha by Brahmata Somor Mahara. Brahmata Somor Mahara. So like that, you can do the whole thing here. Just make a Vamana and then apply the rules.
Okay, Prabhu.
Then the next word is Krishna Rai. Krishna Rai, ending with I. Okay, let me ask you a question. What is the Vamana for Trivikrama U?
Trivikrama,
What is the Vamana for Trivikrama E?
E.
E. What is the Vamana for I?
No, there is no Vamana, right?
There is
For
no
I,
Vamana. What is the Vamana for Au?
no Vamana.
No
These are all
Vamana.
Trivikramas. Yeah.
Right. A, I, O, Au, all four of them are
Yeah.
Trivikramas.
Trivikramas.
Now,
Yes.
if we have any word in Brahmalinga ending with A, I, O, Au, so how do we apply this rule? Brahmanta Trivikramasya Vamana.
Oh, it's 173. The
So
AI sthane
then we
becomes
apply
I Rama.
173. Then we apply 173.
Okay,
A I
okay, okay.
sthane E Ramaha, O Au sthane U Rama Vamana Syat. So
Ah,
the Vamana for A and I is E, and the Vamana for O and O is U. Okay?
hmm.
Yeah. So we apply this rule and then we do the declension, whatever the declension is.
Okay.
Then the next word is Kartri. Kartri plus Su. Su is deleted. Brahmata Soma Mahara Kartri.
Yeah.
Same
Kartri.
thing. Same thing. Same kind of declensions. Yeah. Thus we complete this section also. Sarveshwaranta
Yes.
Brahmalinga. This was easy.
Yes, Prabhu, I think so. Yeah. I have to go
So
through
we
it Prabhu once.
so we
Yeah.
completed the whole Sarveshwaranta section.
Sarveshwaranta. Yes, Prabhu.
So please revise the
Yeah,
whole
I'll
thing
take a.
with
Yeah.
memorization, especially of the tables. And yeah, please do
Yeah.
implement them. Do implement them in your readings.
So, bro, this chapter is still 221, correct? No,
This chapter is
223.
still what?
223. No,
I mean,
that's fine. I checked
till
it.
Sutra 223, are you saying?
Yeah. Sutra
Okay.
223. Okay.
Yeah, we have done half of the chapter only.
Yes, Prabhu.
40% you can say, 40, 45% we have done. There's still some, because now we
Yes,
have Vishnu Jananta section,
yes, yes, yes.
and then we have
Vishnu.
also pronouns.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, true.
Sahtau
So
te.
I'll go through this. It has a lot to
Sure, bro.
digest. And
Okay.
so then, okay, bro.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.